Hello, and welcome to the SAP Business One overview video. Today we're going to be focused on CRM, Business Partner Master Data. So CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and in a lot of companies that can mean many different things, but in my world here of Business One, Customer Relationship Management is really how I'm looking at, how I'm managing my customers, and how I'm seeing all of the different documents that are associated with it. So let's go over here to our menus on the left-hand side and go into our CRM, and we can look here at our Business Partner Master Data. Now, this is one of the key pieces of data within Business One. So it's very important that this data is always kept up to date and always kept very well maintained. And the reason being is that this triggers and drives many different areas within the tool. So going into my Business Partner Master Data, as I click on it, we can see that this is taking me into a Find screen. And the reason that I can see that is down here in the left-hand corner, it says Find. And up here in the fields, most of them are yellow. This means that this is a find mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting in my name of Earthshaker, and we're going to click Tab, and then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to choose Find, and we're going to see that my customer, Earthshaker Corporation, has now come up. Now I can do a couple of different things if I wanted to in Find. I could use a wildcard, I could choose multiple files or multiple records. Many different ways that I can get to this information. So there's quite a lot of information on the screen, so let's go through it. Over here on the left-hand side, I have the top level information about my customer, Earthshaker. They happen to be part of a group, my large accounts. We can see here under my general tab, I have the contact information, fax number, emails, all of that over there. I can also see who the salesperson is associated with this business partner. Going into my contacts, I can see I can have as many contacts as I like associated with this individual business partner. And that's a really nice way to be able to have multiple people have information go to them with only a single record. Now under the addresses, once again, I can have as many bill to and ship to addresses as I like, specific to this one customer, again, minimizing the amount of business partners that I have to have in the system. So if I have one business partner, let's say has 10 stores, I can put in each one of those stores as an individual address within the system. But I can also have payments going back to a main headquarters, so a single bill to address with multiple ship to address. Payment terms here is standard payment terms that I have within the system, and I can identify what type of payment terms I want, maybe a net 30, maybe I have a percentage discount if they pay in advance. I can also look at payment runs to find out if this is an automatic payment run as part of financing, and I go into greater detail about that in some of my financial videos. Under the accounting tab here, we can see what GL account this is going to, and I can also see if I want to associate properties. Now, out of box by design, I have 64 properties that are available. What this allows me to do is put this business partner into multiple groups. Maybe I want them to be part of a campaign, which I talked about in an earlier video. With campaigns, maybe I want them to be in specific customer groups, whatever it might be. And I can have remarks associated with this. And then, of course, as with most area in Business One, I can put in as many attachments as I like associated with this business partner. One of the other wonderful key features up here on the right-hand side is going in and using these golden arrows, I can see the balance that's associated with this business partner. I can also go down and I can look at, all right, show me all of the sales orders that are associated with this business partner. And I can see if there's any opportunities that are associated. So just with a single click on that golden arrow, it takes me over to all these different levels. Now I can also go in and through graphical representation, I can see exactly what's going on with my customer here. I can see all of my sales analytic reports here. I can see down here how much has happened with sales, gross profit, applied amount, sales amount, and I have a complete list. And of course, through my golden arrows, I can drill into any one of these. So there's quite a lot of information associated with the Business Partner Master Data, but I hope I've given you a quick overview, and thank you very much for listening to the video demo today.